Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A friend in need. A moral story: a friend in need is a friend indeed. The hare was very social and had many friends. She used to help everyone. One day, she heard the hounds coming into the forest to catch her. She panicked and went to the horse for help, but the horse said, "I have to help my master or else I would help you." Without any further thinking, she ran to the bull. The bull said, "I have a meeting with a friend or else I would help you." Now the hare was beginning to get worried. She met the lamb on her way and asked her for help. But the lamb refused as she was scared of the hounds. At last, the scared hare met the calf. The hare began to cry and the calf consoled her, "Dear hare, don't worry. Just run and hide yourself. I will signal to you when the hounds leave." The hare hid herself and realized that her true friend was the calf.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.